Need to keep track of time across different time zones? Let's explore how to use the world clock feature on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to view the world clock on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the clock app. Tap on the world clock option from the bottom left corner of your screen. To add a city, tap on the plus button at the top right corner of your screen. Search for the city you want to add. When you find the correct city, tap on it to add it to your world clock list. And this is how you can see the world clock on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.